Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn off backup my data in a Realme phone device guys. You want to turn off guys your backup my data, so guys you can turn off it. And guys now let's see how to turn off backup my data. So then first of all guys open your phone setting to turn off backup my data. So we will on it, and guys you can see guys this system settings. So guys tap here, and guys now you can see guys backup and reset. So guys tap here, and guys you want to turn off backup on data. You can see backup on data disable. Yes, we want to off it. So guys you can off your backup on data in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off backup on data in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching my video guys. And friends, do you have any doubt in your Realme phone, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you friends. Bye bye.